What's up guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I have for you the DRL harness for the 2010 to 2013 Camaros with the RS package and the 2012 to 2015 ZL1. Now this harness will allow you to utilize your DRLs as a factory driving fog light. This harness is equipped with weather pack connectors similar to the factory one. It does also have a sheathing that does protect it from the open elements. It also does have a built-in diode that will prevent backfeed power to the factory side markers. It is a simple plug-and-play installation. All we have to do is remove 3 Torx bolts holding the fender liner, pull back the fender liner a little bit, then we can access the factory plug this DRL harness right in line, and then we have our original driving fog lights. Now that we have the harness installed, we're able to add a little bit more light to our drive. Now this harness will work with any factory bulb or any P13 LED bulb that we have available. As always, thank you for watching. If you want any more information on this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our latest Camaro videos.